guys, Eve here, and welcome back to another Cosmos and Cosmetology video. So currently we are in Aries season, and Aries are known for being courageous, confident, optimistic, and passionate. They're also known for being a bit moody and aggressive. That's okay because they all get shit done. I'm currently in Australia. I'm actually celebrating my best friend's birthday. She herself is an Aries, and so I really wanted to dedicate this video to her. Happy birthday, Jessie! And so if you want to see how I did this makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes, and we're heading into the Artist Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, picking up the shade Phresh, which is a bright, super pigmented yellow. However, we are taking a fluffy brush and putting that into the crease, so it's not going to be super pigmented right away, but this is how we're going to control the gradient. We're going to control that fade. Taking your time to build up the pigment because I want the yellow to be present, I just don't want it to be a stark line. And then once we are satisfied with the intensity of the yellow shade, I'm heading into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm grabbing the shade Hunts, which is a nice orangey red tone, taking a fluffy blending brush and putting that into the outer corner and the crease, using circular motions as we go along so that the color doesn't leave any sharp lines anywhere on the lid. We want this look to be really smoky and blown out. Then before I start doing all of my reverse blending, we're going to intensify that outer corner. We're going to grab my ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, picking up the shade Blank Canvas and taking a smaller blending brush and blending that into the outer corner towards the center of my lid. This is a deeper burgundy type shade, however when it's mixed with the orange it just looks like a deeper orange tone. It's a really pretty combination if you ask me. Then once we're happy with the placement, we'll grab Hunts once again and then Phresh to tie it all together. Then heading back into the Artist Palette, I'm picking up the shade Orange You Fancy, which is a shimmery orange type shade. I'm actually going to apply this dry because I don't want it to be too glittery, but I wanted that lighter orange tone right onto the inner portion of my lid, blending it into Blank Canvas and up towards the crease. Then to ensure a really nice blend, I'm picking up Hunts once again, popping that right onto the center of my lid. That way the gradient continues on the lid as well. Then lining my eyes with my Stila liquid liner. I'm not going to do a wing of any sort, this is just going to intensify my upper lash line to prepare for the false lashes. At this time, go ahead and apply your foundation, magic snaps or not, and we'll head into the lower lash line. So first I'm picking up Hunts, keeping that really close to my lash line. Don't have to be too precise with this as we're going to be smoking it out with a little bit of that Phresh shade. We really want to bring Phresh down pretty far towards the cheeks. It's going to make the eyes look a lot bigger and it's going to help pull the whole look together. Now we're going to add in a little bit of blue, a little bit of a light electric teal blue. So this is actually the shade Jada, and then I'm topping it off with a bit of Pool Party to bring a little bit of that shimmery brightness. Now grabbing my Hourglass Ambient Lighting blush in the shade Incandescent Electra, putting that onto the apples of my cheeks and blending it up towards my hairline. And then for highlight, I'm grabbing that gold highlight shade from the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette from Urban Decay, putting that on to the tops of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. Then for my inner corner highlight, I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And then we're going to apply some glitter. So I'm grabbing my Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, putting that onto my inner corners, and then applying my Lit Cosmetics glitter in the shade Joy right on top. Taking that glitter and spreading it onto the lid a little bit just so that the concentration is in the inner corner but blends out across the eye. Then adding some dots of that glitter onto the outer corner of my left eye just for a little bit of extra fun, and topping that inner corner glitter with more of that Mega Glow highlight. Just brightens it up a little bit. Then for my lips, I'm taking two Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. The first one is in Bittersweet, which is more of an orangey shade. However, I thought it was too bright of an orange. It was sort of competing with the eyes rather than complementing, so I grabbed Strawberry Pop and added it onto the edges, kind of creating more of an ombre lip rather than a bright fluorescent orange. Then curling my lashes to prep for my mascara. And we're using my usual mascara combo today. Buxom Lash Mascara for my top lashes, Pixie Lower Lash Line Mascara for my bottom lashes, and setting my brows with the Pixie Clear Brow Gel. Finally, dusting away any excess powder that we were baking, and applying some false lashes. These are my Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. If you guys like this makeup look, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like me, click the subscribe button down below. Special thanks to Clarissa Morrison. Thank you so much for your comments. If you do comment on this video, please know that I might not get back to it right away because I am in Australia. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.